Hey guys, welcome back to SQ Code Club. From today, we are going to start a new series on cloud computing. This is the first video on cloud computing, where we are going to see what does cloud computing means. So, without wasting any time, let's get started.
Cloud computing is everywhere. Pick up any tech magazine or visit almost any IT website or blog and you will be sure to see talk about cloud computing.
Cloud computing promises to cut operational and capital costs, and then more importantly, let IT departments focus on strategic projects instead of keeping the data centers running.
Don't forget the equipment that you won't need to buy, which will result in fewer capital expenditures, thereby causing the CFO to actually smile when she sees you. By having someone else host the applications, you need not buy the servers, not pay for the electricity to power and cool them.
And it's also convenient for telecommuters and traveling remote workers who can simply log in and use their applications wherever they are.
With cloud computing, other companies host your applications. The company doesn't pay for hardware and maintenance. The service provider pays for equipment and maintenance.
Okay guys, now we are going to see the components of cloud computing. So basically there are three components. First one is client, then data center, and then distributed server. So let's see what are the clients. There are three types of clients in cloud computing. First one is mobile devices. Mobile devices include PDAs or smartphones like BlackBerry, Windows mobile smartphone, or an iPhone. Second category is thin devices. These are the client or computers that do not have internal hard drives but rather let the server do all the work but then display the information. Thin clients are becoming increasingly popular solution because of their price and effect on the environment. Some of the benefits of using thin clients include lower hardware cost, lower IT cost, security, less power consumption, and less noise. And the third category is thick. This type of client is a regular computer using a web browser like Firefox or Internet Explorer to connect to the cloud.
Data center is the collection of servers where the application to which you subscribe is housed. It could be a large room in the basement or your building, or a room full of servers on the other side of the world that you access via the internet. A growing trend in IT world is virtualizing servers. That is, software can be installed allowing multiple instances of virtual servers to be used. In this way, you can have half a dozen virtual servers running on one physical server. But the servers don't have all to be housed in the same location. Often servers are in geographically disparate locations. But to you, the cloud subscriber, these servers act as if they are humming away right next to each other. This gives the service provider more flexibility in options and security. There comes distributed server. For instance, Amazon has their cloud solution in servers all over the world. So that's it for today.
So in next and upcoming videos, we are going to see the top 10 applications of cloud computing and more about cloud computing. So if you are having any doubts or queries, let us know in the comment section below and we guys will meet you in the next video soon. Until then, stay tuned.